Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to another awesome video where I'm gonna unbox this new product that I purchased from A&J Auto Lighting and Accessories. Yeah, there's some good. They have some good product.
Hmm?
So if you're wondering what this is all about, it's a universal gear shifter knob. So
Go.
so
First up, we have what's this?
so that now is the car cigarette plug adapter you need. You don't have only one but two
Two charging port.
two charging port here, so you can use them individually. So that's charging cable. Um,
Gives you a little length.
yeah, it's like 2 feet long. So the charging cable works. I guess with the knob. And these are some adapters.
Adjustable. What is that? Adjustable adapters or something.
Just adapters.
And here it is. So
So-
those are the parts, and this is the crystal. What's it called again?
Crystal gear shifter knob.
Crystal gear shifter. Gear shifter.
Gear shifter
Alright.
knob. Crystal.
Alright.
So
And the reason for this is that you can plug it in. It lights up. I guess when you plug it in, you just go to there. You have it.
adjust what size needed.
Okay.
Definitely.
So as we say, you can just like, share, and subscribe for more videos about car accessories.
Yeah.
Yeah. And tune in
So guys, I'm gonna show you how
to connect.
how to connect the crystal gear shifter knob. It's pretty easy, very easy. So you gotta take out the original gear stick. Yeah. Mine needs some cleaning. Here. So take out.
Okay.
Yeah, but you want cleaning. Anyway, mine needs some cleaning. Anyway, so after you have remove your original gear shifter knob, you're gonna screw it. Wow, so you're gonna screw the gear shifter knob on. Wow. Or then now you're gonna use the cigarette tray adapter. You're gonna plug out that, put that in.
Okay.
Then you're gonna use connect the charging cable adapter. Then now after you firmly screw on the gear shifter knob, you're gonna plug in the charging cable, and that's it. That's all.
I thought it was gonna be like
7 lights.
7 lights.
7 lights. Yeah. So just imagine in the night you're rocking your gear stick.
Shifting gears.
Shifting gear with lights.
Yeah. All of the lights.
Yeah. So that is your universal crystal gear shifter knob.
Provides lighting